Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Dropified video training tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link existing products in your BigCommerce store to Dropified. Now, if you're just getting started with Dropified, but you've been using your BigCommerce store for a while, you probably have a bunch of different products that you already have shipping to customers and things that you like selling. But before you can start using Dropified to automate, you have to link those products into Dropified, and it's a pretty easy process. We're just going to go over how to do that in this video today. So let's take a look at our store. So right here we're in the Dropified dashboard, but we're going to go to our BigCommerce store really quick just to show you an example of a product I have. And so here we are in my products page. Right here we have this LCD brick game that I like selling. It's a fun thing. It's pretty cheap, but customers love it. So we're going to go in here and we're going to take a look at it. And so we need to go in and find this product wherever we're drop shipping from. In this case, I found this on AliExpress. So I'm going to go to AliExpress and find this. But before we do that, we're going to go into our products. And so I'm going to go to my BigCommerce store. And as you can see, these products here are already linked because they show up in Dropified. So you have them in the BigCommerce store side, and then you have them on the Dropified side. But what about that LCD brick game from before that isn't already linked? We can press this button right here and press import from BigCommerce. And so this is going to bring up the products that show up in BigCommerce. Now we've already seen that these two are linked, but the LCD brick game we had from before is not. So we're going to click on that. And this is where you're going to put your supplier product link. Now, like I said, I'm shipping from AliExpress, so I'm going to go to AliExpress and find the link to this product. So we're going to open up AliExpress. And we're going to look up LCD game. And we're going to find that product or something that at least matches it close enough. But here it's pretty close to the top of the screen. So we're going to click on it. And then all we have to do is copy this link up here. Make sure you get the entire thing. Copy. And paste. And as you can see, the rest of this is already populated by using this link. So then we just press save. And here we can set the price, we can set the comparative price, the weight. We've got our product photos. And we've got our description that we put in BigCommerce. But then anytime you make a change, just be sure to press update to make sure you don't lose anything. And that's basically how you do it. All you have to do is find that supplier link from wherever you're shipping from and paste it in the correct space. And you're just going to have to do that for the products you already have. But anyway, that's all I have for you today. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like on it. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. And if you liked the video enough that you want to subscribe, be sure to press that subscribe button and then hit the bell icon to make sure you never miss one of our uploads. Until next time, I've been Riley with Dropified. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.